Hi, my name is David. I'm head of products at Inoopa, and I'm going to give you a short introduction to our SaaS platform. As you can see, our platform is showing as a Google search bar. You can type any keywords, and we will look into more than 1,300,000 companies in Belgium. That means all the companies, also the self-employed, NGOs, and so on. What you can do is actually typing any keywords. That's a big difference with traditional methods where you have to pick within a list of sectors. Here you can type anything. And what we do with our artificial intelligence is that we analyze the semantic content of all websites, Google results of companies, and their social media. Let's take an example. I'm a tech company and I'm looking for prospects that are using drones for their activity. I can just type the word drones, press enter, and I get instantly more than 800 results. So actually, what the algorithm is doing is building a word cloud of what drones means, where I can play with, select all, unselect, and so on. And it also offers me very different interactive filters, like how many employees do we have in the companies, and you can just select, apply if you want. It also gives an ability to check turnover, types of companies, where they are located in Belgium, and it always automatically updates the counting. An important one is the sector, because the sector filter, it offers you it's a complementarity with the keywords you look for. Like you look for drones, you can have many types of companies active in drones, but here I will select only, for instance, the technical professions, people that are using drones for their job. I can also decide to pick the ICT companies developing probably softwares for drones, and so on. I could take the returners and so on. And just by clicking apply, I have a counting that is automatically updated, and I can also check a preview. The preview is also very important because it shows you 5 results that you will get. And what you can do within the preview is just checking a website, like the website of this company. This can give me an idea of is the result relevant to me? In other words, is my request going to give me what I'm looking for? So that's very important to have trust that you are using the right words and the right filters. If I'm happy with the request, I can just don't get access to the full list. By doing so, I will use a few credits. So I will name the list Dave. I will name the list and I will get a full access to it. You only use credits when you download the list. So it makes that you can use the platform as much as you want without having to use the credits. You only use them when you actually go to the list and get an email with CSV and XLS results. If I click on it, I automatically get a file where I can see the full list of companies and different data that are interesting to me, like where they're located, their activity codes, websites, phones, and emails. So that's pretty much it for this very short introduction. We hope you'll have fun with our platform and that it will help you. But of course, don't hesitate to contact us if any question. Have a nice day and see you.